everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me again today. If you had a chance on last Thursday's video, we had our July card class and we featured the inked and tiled bundle. And this is the bundle right here. It comes with this stamp set and then two fun punches. So these punches kind of fit together to create a solid, sheet of tiled pieces. So we're going to do a little bit with that today. And one of the things in the new catalog that I really like is the beautifully, or not beautiful, well, it's beautiful, delightfully eclectic 12 by 12 designer series paper pack. This is a big paper pack. It's 12 by 12. It comes with 48 sheets. So you get 4 of each pattern, and they're double-sided patterns, and they go with different stamps and bundles throughout the book. So the piece that we're using today goes with the inked and tiled bundle. So you can see it has the X's, and then in the white areas is the little star punch. So I was going to show you just a super quick, simple card we can do using this. And I will post measurements below, or I'll post measurements on my blog with a link below in the description. So what I'm using for my card base, I'm looking for my bone folder here, is the Bubble Bath cardstock. I love that color. And then I'm just going to use a layer of garden green to kind of pop this out. So if we look at those together, that just really helps to bring out the designer paper. All right, so it already has the X's and star patterns on here. And what I wanted to do is just take my star pattern and I'm gonna punch out one of these flowers just for a little bit of an accent. So they're designed to fit perfectly in the punch. You just line it up. I'm going to punch out this little one right here. And then I'm going to glue or adhere this designer paper to my garden green and get my adhesive going here. All right. So we've got a little window right there, and then I'm going to bring in some of our garden green ribbon. This comes in a 2-pack with garden green and real red, so it's a great Christmas ribbon, but it also goes really nice with this designer paper. And I'm going to tape this around the back of the garden green. This is nice and easy. We just have one punch that we have to do. We're going to do one quick stamp and a little embellishing, and that's it. The name of the game today is sweet and simple and quick. All right, let's get this adhered down. And just like that. And then we're going to pop up this image with a few dimensionals. So we'll put one at the top and a couple down here. So I always like to make sure anything I'm putting over ribbon is going to grab the paper and not the ribbon. Okay, and I want to fit it right into where the opening is. So you can, at an angle you can see just a hint of green, but when you look straight on, you just want just the image. All right, now we're going to just stamp thank you. You could use any of the sentiments on here, but I thought this would make a really nice, quick thank you card. And let's see, my thank you seems to want to go. I don't always get it perfectly straight on the sticker. So I always have to do a little test run to make sure I'm stamping it correctly. So that's it. Now we are going to embellish, and I've got these pastel adhesive back sequins, which are gorgeous. These pink are the perfect color So I have one that's already open. I have used all of the gold out of here already. Well, actually, how many? I guess this is just one pack. So we're gonna do a few. We'll do a couple big and a couple small ones. Let's do another big one here, maybe right here. We'll do a small one. And maybe that have it? Yeah, it's got adhesive. We'll throw one more. We'll do 5. One more right there. I tried, that one's kind of different colored. I tried coloring them with my blends and it works. So anyway, that's it. I mean, how sweet and simple is that? So quick and easy. And it just, you don't have to have a crazy card with a million different layers. You can do some quick and simple cards too. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. Make sure to check back on Monday. We've got one more card using the Inked and Tiled bundle. And I will see you then. Don't forget that the rest of July, we still have bonus day coupons going out. For every $50 that you spend, you earn a $5 coupon to use next month. So make sure if you want to place an order, use the host code in the link below. If you spend $30, you will get a set of the cards to make from Thursday's card class. And if you spend $50 or more, you'll get a pack of the iridescent pastel gems. All right, thanks everybody, and I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.